Hello everybody, myself Ashish Das. Welcome to my YouTube channel ATS Tech Info. In this video, I will discuss about the assembling of CPU, how to assemble it, and we will show the practical. This is your CPU. This is the front part of your CPU, and about this is the power on off switch. We can power on and off by pressing the switch, and this is the reset switch, that is we call as restart switch. This is the USB port. USB means universal serial bus. We can insert the pen drive here, and this is the headphone jack. That means we can insert the headphone and we can insert any sound device. And about the back part of this CPU, this is the back part. This is the keyboard mouse connection. PS2 keyboard mouse can be connected here, and this is the VGA port. This is the port by which we can connect the monitor, and these are four ports. USB port, we can connect your keyboard mouse, and we can connect the pen drives, and these are the port used to connect the speaker. Let's open the CPU and see the inner parts. This is the inner part of CPU, and this is our important thing, motherboard. This is the motherboard, and this is the cooling fan, and the inner part in this motherboard there is a connection of your processor. We can install the processor, and after installing we have to mount this fan. This is the cooling fan. The function of cooling fan is to cool this your processor, cool the processor. And these are the chips which are inbuilt by the manufacturer. And first we have to insert the RAM. This is the RAM. This is a RAM having it may be 1 GB, 2 GB. This is the capacity of RAM is 1 GB, and we have to insert it. We have to press it, and here we have to press it. It will be fit. Then we have to insert another RAM. If there is a need of another RAM, then insert 2 RAM. Press here and press here. It will be automatically fit. Then we have to insert the SMPS. This is the SMPS, switch mode power supply. This is the important thing, because from here the power supply plug will be connected to the power, that is your electricity, and this is 230 volt, and we can have another SMPS, and also we can have this is the Zebronics company SMPS, and how to insert it. I will explain. We can insert SMPS. We can insert it. Then we have to adjust the hole and insert the knot. We can insert the second knot. And we have to connect this into the motherboard. We have to press it, then it will be inserted. Then we have to connect other connections. This is a connection we have to insert. We can insert this here. And press it. It will be properly inserted. Then we have to connect hard disk. This is the hard disk, and this is the hard disk having 160 GB. Here is written 160 GB. The storage capacity is 160 GB. We can have nowadays we can have 1 TB hard disk, 2 TB hard disk, and also 4 TB hard disk. TB means terabyte. And we have to insert it here. Here we have to insert. We can insert. We can insert it here. We have to fix it here. We have to fix it. We have to connect. After fixing it, we have to connect the hard disk in the connections from the motherboard. Then this is the SATA cable. We have to connect here. We have to connect it here. Then the other part will be connected here. You can connect here, from here to here. Then we have to connect the other part from the SMPS. This wire is from SMPS and we have to connect it in the hard disk. we can insert. Then these are the inner connections to the motherboard, and after this we can connect, if you require any DVD writer, then you can connect it through this cable. Here you can connect, and you can have your this can be connected here, and you have to put it inside. And this connection is from SMPS, and we can insert it. The connections are over. Now we will close the cabinet. We have to close it. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you have the latest updates, and also like and share the video.